Hello friends, I Disha Mehtani, Assistant Professor in Byani International Institute of Engineering and Technology, welcomes you on behalf of Guru KPO. I am here to deliver a lecture on Buckles relay. First of all, we should know about relay. What is relay? A relay is a fault detecting device which is used in the power system. It trips the circuit breaker when there is a fault in the circuit. Now let us come to the main topic, that is Buckles relay. Let us discuss its construction. Now it has a hinged hollow float. This is the hinged hollow float which is connected to the mercury switch, and this mercury switch is connected to the alarm circuit, which is in the upper part of the chamber. The next one is this is the flap valve, hinged flap valve, and this is connected to another mercury switch. This mercury switch is connected to the trip circuit at it, and it is in the lower part of the chamber. This is the construction of the Buckles relay. Now let us discuss its working, how it works. Let us we can see the hinged hollow float is in the upper part of the chamber. Now when there is a fault in the transformer, the oil will get overheated due to the fault and it will decompose into gases. The gases will produce, the gas that will be produced is hydrogen. As we know, hydrogen is lighter in weight, it will accumulate in the upper part of the chamber. Thus this hinged float will tilt towards the mercury switch, and it causes the contacts to be closed, and there will be a alarm ring. Thus we can see it can be used to protect the transformer. Next, when there is a major fault in the transformer, the oil will decompose at faster rate and more gases will generate. The oil level will reduce faster, and due to this flap valve will deflected towards the mercury switch, and this energize the trip coil, and this will trip the circuit, and thus we can protect the transformer. Thank you, and thank you for watching the video. For more details you can log on to www.gurukpu.com.